folks, this is Lorenzo. Today I'm going to be making some dice. Bone and ivory dice were popular all the way from ancient Rome until the advent of modern plastics. The material I'm going to use is tagua nut, which is readily available online and is a common modern ivory substitute. It has a smooth, hard white flesh and a thin brown skin that is easily scraped off. It can be worked with normal woodworking tools, but is more brittle than wood. The most challenging feature is the void in the center of the nut. Until you cut it open, there's no way to know exactly where or how big it is. I have a nut here that I've already cut in half with a handsaw after carefully securing it in a vise. Now I'm going to start the rough shaping with a chisel. I put the nut back in the vise and cut it again in line with the void, making two pieces. Now I'm going to pick one of these pieces and try to find a cube inside the nut. First, I'm going to take off the ends that I know are not going to give me good dice. The next step is to mark the pips on the dice. Many historical dice were marked with dot and circle pips, which were made using a pump drill. This drill operates by wrapping a string around the shaft attached to a bar that moves up and down along its length. This causes the shaft to rotate, driving the drill bit. The counterweight then winds the string back up, and the drill is ready for the next stroke. This means that the drill alternates direction on each stroke, unlike a modern drill that only goes in one direction. The final step is coloring in the pips. I've used ink in the past, and I've seen references to paint, but my favorite option is filling them in with pitch. I haven't seen a solid reference on this for European dice yet, so if you find one, let me know. And it's done. So if you have some shop time and want to add a little something special to your kit, try making some dice. Thanks for joining me, and stay safe.